Are you a Tstak owner? Well, I got something cool to show you guys. And I was thinking, I've been 3D printing some stuff for my box, and I just didn't see anything on this level for Tstak owners. But for Dewalt, not Dewalt, sorry, Milwaukee, I have seen it, but not for Dewalt. Here it is. Look at these things. So if you look at that, that's basically tool grid. And I 3D printed this stuff. I didn't actually buy it through tool grid, but the files are pretty much really easy to get. And all you have to do is just modify them, and I did. So I'm gonna put them up on some of the websites, so anybody that has a Tstak can go and get them. But it just makes everything so much better looking than your random, like, your random stuff that doesn't fit this box. And that was the problem I was having. I couldn't fit stuff in here because either the organization is like too big or it's too small. Like this stuff, like, it just takes too much room. So I was like, nah, I'm not doing that. But everything fits nicely in here. It's just like super clean too. But yeah, like, this is the deep one. All my sockets fit. Yeah, some coke and stuff. And like, everything's like, oh man, the light's not that good, but it's got like, all right here. Basically, everything's like really well made. And let's see. So yeah, basically pretty cool. And then I got a 3D print handles for stuff. Like, this is a 3D printed handle for my snap-on. This was a Instinct handle, I think it was what it's called. I don't like those handles, so I went with a hard handle. But this video is not about this, so it's just about the tool grid. Yeah, everything, like, literally, I printed it. I had to basically redesign the board, because the board's available online, but it's not made for Tstak. So I basically went ahead and redesigned everything, and I designed some stuff, some angle socket holders, because this is a short one, right? So if you stand it up, it's not gonna fit. So I just did I can't remember the angle, but it fits up to my 14, and the 15 I couldn't fit it because it was too fat. So not a big deal, but it's basically, everything fits pretty nice. And like I said, these ones I modified myself to fit because they were too tall. But everything is that's just perfect, man. Like, look at this. It looks so good and so professional. Instead of just having all your stuff, stuck, just randomly put on there, you can basically have everything looking really good. And all this stuff I'm gonna put every single item here, I'm gonna put in a website, probably Maker's World, because that's the best one. Excuse me. So you guys can download it, and you don't have to do anything. You just print it out if you have a 3D printer. I don't plan on selling this stuff because, well, Tstak's like, I'm not sure it's patented or not, but regardless, or not Tstak, sorry, tool grid. But all this stuff's my design. I didn't copy any of the tool grid stuff. Right, so this is just a board I made. It's really nice. And then this one, I'm really proud of this one because it's literally an angle. As an angle, so you can put multiple the longer bits in there without any issue, and it doesn't take up like the amount of space if you put it flat, because if you put it flat like that, it'll take up so much goddamn space. But it just fits nice, man. Like, ooh. More ratchets. I got a lot of ratchets, and I'm gonna do some videos of like reviews on them, but my reviews are gonna be different because I don't like to open stuff up and call it a review. I want to actually use this stuff. Well, I mean, I've used this stuff, but I don't want to just be like, oh, here's this ratchet, you know. Well, but yeah, like I said, everything's pretty freaking nice. Yeah, this is I went with Tstak because like, as you can see, I have like 0 space, and I live in Japan, so the houses here are super tiny, and man, they're like super tiny. But yeah, man, like everything's gonna be in Maker's World or a different website. I'm not sure yet which one, but you're gonna be able to download it and then print it without any issues. I'll basically work it so you just hit print and it'll print it out. I don't really plan on selling this stuff, like I said, because well, Tool Grid's patented it, and it's an actual legitimate company, so I don't want to get in trouble. But yeah, hope you guys like it, and yeah, I'm gonna release more videos of other stuff that I'm doing, because I do multiple stuff. I do the meme kits, you know, the little bit driver stuff. I do some of those, and just like solutions for stuff that I can 3D print, like those handles. I can show you guys the handles, and I'll put all that stuff on the website. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.